Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to doing a chicken Alfredo. So let's get right into the video. So here we have our penne on the stove with a little pinch of salt. Yes guys, and bubbling away. Yes, we're testing to see how it is. It's tender and nice, well bubble, well nice. Yes guys, so now I am going in and I am going to be adding my chicken breast. So with all these, we already seasoned it from pre-prep it and everything already. So I just add some paprika, chicken seasoning, all purpose, some chili pepper, and you know, the normal. Yes guys, well nice. All the spices after locked in. So this is something that was requested for me to do, and I am doing it. This is my second time trying this one, but I've used a different pasta than this one. So this one that I'm using is the first time I'm using it. So just this is Pal's Island Kitchen way of doing chicken Alfredo. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and you can leave a comment, as I said in my previous videos, and tell me what you would like to see me prepare, and I will definitely go ahead and do so. So we're checking on our penne to see if it's tender and nice. So in the meanwhile, our chicken is going on there and our penne is cooking. Watch girl, I try flip chicken in a pot. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying doing this cooking. So now everything is ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add our Alfredo sauce. So this one is with roast garlic, but I am going to be adding some other spices to it. I will be adding some more garlic and also some green onion. So I'm giving it my own spin, my own authentic taste. So this is Pal's Island Kitchen way of doing chicken Alfredo. And next time when I'm doing it, I will be doing the sauce. I will be making my own sauce, and I will be doing it step by step so you guys can have an idea of how to do it if you don't know how to. See, I'm locking in all the spices, the garlic. Guys, if you could just smell the aroma in this kitchen, it's amazing. So now we're adding our green onion, otherwise known as scallion. To give it that flavor, this authentic, it need to have this authentic taste, you know, because everybody do Alfredo chicken different. Everybody's style of cooking is different. So I hope you guys enjoy mine. Yes guys, that's all bubbling and nice with the cheese combined together. Nice authentic flavor, amazing. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our penne to the sauce, and we're gonna lock everything in. We're gonna make sure all our penne is coated with the sauce and the cheese, and give that that nice authentic flavor. Guys, amazing, well creamy and nice. So I will be adding some more sauce, but not right now, like further on down in there, to give it that, you know, that amazing kick that you're looking for. I love perfection when I'm cooking. I love to see things done properly, and I am doing my best with this chicken Alfredo, honestly speaking. And I'm gonna be adding some black pepper to it. And stir that in, lock it in. And guys, we're adding some more cheese to it, so I'm using the Parmesan cheese. Creamy and nice. But I think you can add whatever cheese you want to add to it. Many different cheese. Now we're adding our chicken breasts with all the spices and what's gonna give this authentic, nice taste. So here you are, guys. Pal's Island Kitchen Chicken Alfredo. So I'm adding some more cheese to it. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And to all my new subscribers, thank you very much for making it Pal's Island Kitchen, where we prepare authentic Jamaican dish, Canadian dish, and anything, any dish over here. And welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. Thank you guys so much, and please remember to follow me on all social media platforms. We are on Instagram at pals_island_kitchen, and on Facebook we're Pal's Island Kitchen. So here we are adding some more cheese to our chicken Alfredo, and we will be showing you the finishing touch. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Creamy and nice. So we're finished. So we're garnishing with some green onion. And thank you very much for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. Live good, love God, and walk good. And we will see you next time.